Guys, I'm not joking, I've got some good news. Today I got married. That's why I'm wearing a turban. You can see my whole outfit. My wife's inside going through all of this ceremonies and stuff. Oh, you just see a rose come off. But anyway, the good news I was going to say, this is the car I had. The camera's going to be a bit joggy because I'm just using freehand. But anyway, I've got a Royce Phantom 2. It's a 12 plate. It's a 6.75 litre. It's a V12. It's got 453 brake horsepower, 531 pounds of torque. That big 3-ton car will still get you 0 to 60 in 5.7 seconds. Top speed of 149 miles an hour. There's a new one out. There's a Phantom Series 8. They're like £400,000. I mean, they're even hard to get hold of. But look, that car was my wedding car, and look at the plate of it. My wish. A few things being the facelift. You have the LED lights here before they are round circle a bit, and obviously you love these doors. When you open up these doors, they're like the suicide doors. They don't open up the normal way. Yes, you do have, which I won't pull it out. It might pop out, but that's what do you call that? I forgot the word. Umbrella. But anyway, inside, completely stunning. The headrests are, they've got the logos on them. These are made out of wool and cashmere. If you want to buy 4 brand new mats for this car, you're actually looking at £1,600. That's how expensive it is. But yeah, obviously it's got the soft closing doors, so when you close them. Another thing I want to quickly say is about these wheels. So the 21-inch wheels, they're massive. The tyres are 55 profiles. But the good thing is, when you're actually driving this car, these Rolls-Royce badges don't turn. They stay right in the middle, so whatever you're doing, they will never spin around. There's loads of things I want to talk about this car, but I actually haven't got time, and it is my wedding day after all. But another thing I'll quickly show is the Spirit of Ecstasy. Now the good thing is, if I tried grabbing that, it will actually go down into this little housing because they think someone's going to be stealing it. Gotta go inside and see my wife in a minute. What else have we got in there? It's just the most lush car. Full walnut wood. I love those thin steering wheels. It's just that retro feeling. You actually don't have a rev counter, by the way. So to determine what power you're putting down, you have a power reserve gauge. So it's always at 100%, but as soon as you put your foot down, that'll go down to like 60, 40, 20 to show that you have less power in a car. But like I said, this is nearly a 7-litre engine. Super powerful. And I've been driving around today for my wedding, and I almost fell asleep. Love the plaques that you've got down the side. Hopefully we'll get this car back another day where I can do a much better review, but I just wanted to show you what my car was today. If I ever get the Series 8, I mean, they're like £400,000, there's not that many around. I can't wait till I get one of those. Oh, and one other thing, this car is actually genuine white. Now, a lot of people will buy a Phantom and they'll wrap it and put less some paint and it'll look really crap, it'll start to peel off. There's only a handful of actual Rolls-Royces which are painted white from the manufacturer. This is stamped inside to say it's Alpine white. But yeah, it's a lovely car. And I'm gonna have to cut it off now because I have to go tend my wife, and keep watching, and be getting more out soon. Cheers guys, see you later.